Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen of the Point and Click community. We are the people with no to limited IT experience. Today it's all about stopping the automatic Windows updates on Windows 10. I'm not getting into it if this is a smart thing to do or not. As you can see here, it downloaded an update automatically again on this machine. I want to prevent it from downloading it. I want to have full control of when it downloads and if I want to download and install them. First of all, you need administrative rights to the machine. If you're home users and use Windows Home, you probably have administrative rights to the machine. I go to the home version of Windows 10 in a minute. First, I'm going to show you how that will work if you have Windows Professional installed. First, we got to figure out what versions we have on Windows. So you can go and click on Settings and go to System and go to About. Scroll down and look at the edition. In the edition, this is a Windows 10 Pro. That's perfect. And I will show you in a second why the professional version works perfect for that. But like I said, we get to the home version in a little while. The other way to get to it, right click in your File Explorer on this PC, click on Properties, and as you can see, here's your version of your Windows. What I want to accomplish is that Windows notifies me when an update is available, but don't automatically download it and don't install and so on. So for this, we are using a group policy. I type in GP edit and you see the group policy editor. Let's open that, and this is on Windows 10 Pro. Now I select on the computer configuration the administrative template. Let me expand that. Look in my Windows components, double click on Windows Update and configure automatic updates. You see it's not configured, so we configure that group policy. I click on Enable, select Notify for download and auto install. This way you get notified when there is a download available. After that you click Apply, OK. If you want to totally stop, even for looking for update, I would go to Services also. Let's open our Services. Scroll down to Windows Update, Service. And disable that. Now let's move over to a Windows Home Edition. So we changed machines. We are on our Windows Home Edition. As you can see, Windows Home. And on our Windows Home Edition, we don't have a group policy editor. We have to go and download a batch file real quick. The link to this website will be in the description below. And I just click here on download. My download is starting. I close out of this. Let me look in my downloads. I want to extract that. So let's run this batch file. Click on Run as Administrator. Batch file runs through. And now we can move on. So now after we run the batch file, everything, we should have our group policy management. But you probably not find it if you type gp edit in here. Let's open a management console. So type mmc, hit enter. Now we are at the console root. Click File, Add and Remove Snap-in. Group Policy Object, Add, Local Computer. Click Finish. Click OK on here. Now expand your computer configuration. Your administrative template. Windows components. Scroll down to Windows Update. And it's just like in the Windows 10 Pro version now. Configure automatic updates. Enable this. Let it know what you want to do. You probably want to notify for download. And auto install. Hit apply. Hit OK. And that's it. Now that we changed all the settings, let's check on our update settings. I changed back to this machine because I know that's not up to date, this machine. So I look for updates. I got a notification here. I go into my update settings. So the first thing you will notice is it says some settings are managed by your organization. That's because we added the local group policy on this machine. And it says it's pending download. So you see it's not automatically downloading these updates anymore. So you have to manually download the updates. You also want to make sure if you are disabled your update service in the services. Let's type services. And let's look at our Windows Update service. And set that back to manual. I usually don't disable the Windows Update service. I leave that on. I go only with the change in the group policy. This way it will notify me if there's a Windows update available. Then I can go in and decide that I want to download it. Please consider subscribing to my channel, hit that like button and click on that notification bell. Usually we drop every Tuesday and Friday a new video. Have a great weekend.